Hi there, David from Best Biking Roads here. Just want to show you today what can cause a fork seal to leak. If your stanchions of your forks are oxidised, then when the forks compress, it can cause the fork seal to fail. So here I have the front of my 100 disassembled, and you can see here that there's some oxidisation on it. And what happens is when the fork's compressed, the oxidised part, which is not very thin, not very polished, runs into the fork, and then it causes the fork seal here to burst. It's got a dust cover underneath, but underneath that there is an oil seal. So what you can do is take a piece of very fine sandpaper, wet and dry, at 1200. Don't get a really aggressive one like 240. It's more like a polished 1200, or 1000 is also okay. And you just polish it like that with your hand, all the way around. And if you do that periodically, and by periodically I mean about every year really, probably not more, you can avoid having a fork seal leak. Hope that was useful. Catch you later guys, bye.